Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I got to this beautifulness. I mean, just look at it. Look at this beautiful teriyaki salmon. So good. So this is salmon steaks. So yeah, just gorgeous. So here I have my salmon steak pieces and I'm just pouring some teriyaki marinade on it. You don't have to do this at all. You don't have to have the teriyaki marinade, right? If you only have some salt and black pepper, then you put it on there and that is good. So now I'm going in with some black pepper and then I'm going to use a spoon and just rub the black pepper all over it. But first, let's coat the the marinade all over the salmon steaks. So yeah, Vibes fam. So and then I'm gonna leave it for like 10 minutes on one side and then you can flip it over on the other side just so it soak up the marinade. Both sides get to soak up the marinade. So here for my sauce now, this is 1 cup of soy sauce and I'm using low sodium soy sauce, and then I'm going in with a 1/3 cup of oyster sauce. All the goodness. And then I'm going in with 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar and then 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can use 5 just for a little razzle dazzle. So go ahead and whisk it up, and then now we're done. Now I'm gonna pour some oil into my frying pan, which is hot. So they're not going to stay in there for long. It's like 2 minutes on each side. We're only trying to get them a little bit brown and then that is it. We're going to take them out because remember, we have the sauce, the delicious sauce, which is the star of the show, by the way. That is why you don't have to have the teriyaki marinade, right? So yeah, turn them over. All the good stuff, Vibes fam, and then take them out. So after 2 minutes, take them out. We don't want them in there no more. Let's take them out. And put them in a plate on a piece of, what do you call that again? Paper towel, right? To drain the oil. So then now I'm gonna pour out my oil out of the frying pan, and then now I am going in with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and I'm just gonna let it brown just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. So you notice all of this is all minced up, right? so yeah, so 2 tablespoons minced garlic and 1 tablespoon grated ginger, and it is smelling so good. Now we're going in with our sauce. Yes, Vibes fam. If you know how ginger and garlic smell together, listen, then it smells so good. And now I'm adding my sauce. Go ahead and stir it up, mix it up. And then now we're going in with our salmon steak. Look good. They look so good. They look so good. So once the sauce came to a boil, I don't think I said that. Once the sauce came to a boil, then you add the salmon steak, right? So bring it to a boil, add the salmon steak. Then we're coating it with the nice sauce, right? Yes. And then we're gonna leave it for like 2 minutes to bubble away. Beautiful. And I'm gonna add some sesame seed. What am I talking about? It's some chili flakes. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Yes, so the sauce is gonna thicken. I wish I had smelly vision. I wish I had smelly vision so you could smell it. So after the 2 minutes, the sauce will thicken a bit, and then that's when you turn off the stove. Vibes fam, look good. She looks so good. Come through, teriyaki salmon steak. You look so all the goodness. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam. Let me know if you've tried this recipe before, or would you try it? What would you have it with? That's what I want to know. But thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.